Mahabub, you just stay in the class and search in YouTube also whether it is coming or not. I think it will be coming. Please confirm me whether it is coming or not. Yeah, it's visible, right? Okay, then if you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat box. I'll try to clarify your doubts. Okay, it might be a delay, like 10 seconds delay is there. I'll share the link of this live also in the WhatsApp. Yeah, that's fine. I think you people are in live. Okay, then in last previous classes we are in the discussion of this HTML itself. So in that we discussed, we'll try to revise each and everything which we discussed before. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and the history of the HTML, history of the HTML, then HTML tags and attributes, rules to remember while declaring the tags, and creating your first HTML web page, structure, tag, description, then further tags like title tag we discussed and meta tag we discussed, and then adding the content into the website by using the body tag. So these things and all we discussed, and then HTML headings like H1 to H6. So these things and all we discussed. So if you have a time, please go to all the previous recorded videos which is available in the YouTube. And then in last class we discussed how to creation of these tables and how we are going to insert the data into the tables and how we are going to change or modify the data in the tables. So these things and all we discussed. Rounded table borders and then borders how we are going to insert it, and then table padding, spacing, row span, column span, caption for the table, and zebra strips. That how we are going to include the zebra strips into the tables, and overall text, how to create overall text in the tables, and then legal CSS properties. That is, there is only a limited CSS properties that are allowed to be used in the column group. So these are the things that is a with visibility, background, and the border. And then we discussed about how we are going to create these empty column groups and how we have to hide the content in the tables. Like, and also we started the discussion of this black level elements and the entire elements. I think so. So the block level elements are going to be here, block level element always starts on a new line, and the browsers automatically add some space or a margin before and after the element. A block level element always takes some full width available, that is, it stretches and fit out to the screen. Two commonly used block elements are paragraph and the div tag. Okay, so the paragraph element defines a paragraph in a HTML document, and the div element defines the division or section in a HTML document. Okay, so this is what the block line elements are. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ బ్లాక్ లైన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏంటంటే అవి కొత్త లైన్లో అయితే క్రియేట్ చేస్తాయన్నమాట. సో ఈ డ్యూ ట్యాగ్ కావచ్చు, పారాగ్రాఫ్ ట్యాగ్ కావచ్చు, ఇది మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా బ్రౌజర్ కి అంతా స్ట్రెచ్ అయిపోయేలాగా ఉంటాయన్నమాట. అండ్ దెన్ by using CSS properties we can change that stretching properties and all. And then we discussed about the inline element, like we have span tag, we have many tags. So these are some of the examples of the inline sorry inline elements and the black level elements. Okay, to address article, aside, blog code, canvas, GD. So these are some of the examples of the block level elements. And then uh, like anchor tag, abbreviation tag, acronym, and the bold, then BD bold, big break. So these are going to be the inline elements. Okay, so hope you people are clear with this. And then we are in the discussion of this due tag and this span tag. So due tag we already implemented, and span tag in last class there might be error. Okay, no worries, you can check it in your browsers. Yeah. Then class. Okay, so in this class we'll start the discussion of the class. So class, the HTML class attribute is used to specify a class for an element, HTML element. Multiple HTML elements can share the same class. Okay, so to create a class, write a period operator followed by the character. That is, period operator followed by the name of the class. Okay, so this is how you are going to implement the class. Okay, now I will show you how we are going to implement these things and all. I am going to open the new project. I am going to save this. It's too slow. I am going to save it as a class.html. And now it's saved. I am going to create a one HTML file. Now I am giving the title for this. And then here within the head tag itself, we are going to create the CSS properties, and here itself we are going to create the class. Guys, are you listening? Please let me know in the comment section. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? So period operator followed by the class name. So here, this is how I am going to create the class. Now I am going to give the name as a city. So in this, for city, I am going to give the background color as a black or whatever you want. And the sky blue, and then color. That is going to be the text color. Okay, white, and then padding. And this is over here. I'm calling the class. Okay, into the body. I'm going to create a heading. Okay, heading. So here I have to call the class. This is how we are going to call the class. Within the course, you have to give the class name, city. So you have to give the heading, Japan, and then we just close the heading. Yeah, we'll see the output how it's going to be. How to save it. Uh, we'll try to refresh it. So see, this is how it's going to be displayed. Hope you people are observing this, right? So here I'm going to align this text align center. I will try to save it and try to refresh it. So Japan is aligned to center. Okay. So here you have to give one more subheading. Here I'm for your sake I'm telling you it's not mandatory you to give these things and all. You just give the subheading. So here in Japan, the root is so likewise it's going to be displayed. So here you have to observe one thing that so we are created the class by using the period operator followed by the class name. Here we are calling the class by using this class keyword within the double quotes. We are going to give the class name. Okay, this is how it's going to be. And then if I replace, so if I try to inherit the class here, see here, I'm trying to change here also city. So when I try to save it and will try to refresh, browser is very slow. Yeah. See here, it will be inherited from that one. Okay. So that's why when we create a class, we can inherit wherever we want. అంటే ఒక్కసారి క్లాస్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనము ఆ క్లాస్ ని లైక్ ఎక్కడైనా కానీ మన కోడ్ లో లైక్ కాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకేనా? సో ఇది ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తుంది మన ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకేనా? So this is what the class going to be. So if you want the properties which is going to be common for some divisions, like we have many divisions in our web pages, right? So if you want the common things and you are not going to write that much code for this, and you have to increase your, if you have to increase your functionality for that code, so just create a class. By creating this class, the LOC, the lines of code is also going to be decreased. Okay, so that's what the class is. Hope you people got it. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, or else we'll discuss the next thing. Okay, this is what the thing just now I told you, multiple classes. So once we create the class, we can use wherever we want. Okay, so that's what the thing is. We can create more classes in our program. So you just try to execute it. One of the condition of the class I am going to share you the video. You just go through the entire things and try to create the classes. Okay, so classes are used to increase the functionality of your code. Then ID. The syntax for ID is write the hash followed by the ID name. Then define by the CSS properties within the curly braces. Okay, so with the for the same thing I am going to implement. So here I am replacing this period operator with the hash. Okay, so this is what the ID. This is how we are going to create the ID. So the same thing. Um, Here, ID is only for one section. Okay, we will try to run this. Okay, so if we wanted to call that ID, so you have to give like this ID followed by within the double quotes you have to give the ID name. Okay, yeah, you can see now. So in the previous example, we implemented the class. So while we are using the class, here it is inheriting everything. Okay, almost the class and this ID is going to be worked for all the content. Okay, all the content which is going to be present in your document. So this is what the class and the ID is. So this is how we are going to implement the class and ID. Then iframes. So iframes is nothing but you are going to include the other HTML document into your HTML document. Okay, so this is how you are going to implement the iframe. Iframe followed by the source. So source is nothing but you have to give uh, the link which you want it to be displayed, and you have to view the CSS properties as like this, the height and the width of the document which you are going to be included in your website. Okay. Now I'll try to show you practically within this example itself. So here I'm going to what implement the iframes. So for that I'm going to include one document which is available in my Google Drive. Okay, so I'll try to open the Google Drive. The system is very slow, so that will class is delay today. Or else we'll try to display this particular PPT into our website. Okay, so I think it's in the same website. Sorry, same folder, right? Okay, here I'll see the properties of this HTML document. I'm really sorry for these delays. Trust me, from next class onwards, it's not going to be present. Yeah. Now the properties of the HTML document are displayed here. Yeah. Within the source, I'm going to give HTML, and I already told you that you have to add the CSS properties by using the style. Maybe this is how you are going to do height. So just give the 200 pixels, and then width. Same thing. You just give the 200 pixels. We'll see now whether it's going to be displayed here or not. Yeah, see here it's not previewed. Okay, but the thing is, it is it has to display. Okay, we'll try to. Okay, or else I'll try to change the path and try to include the other document. So within this particular thing, the other website is going to be displayed. Okay. So see here in the example folder, we have insert image dot html file is there. Okay, insert any image dot html file is there. So that thing we are going to include in our website. Okay, so this is how we are going to include the other websites into your website. Okay, this is what the inline thing is. Sorry, the local thing is. If you wanted to include the other websites like I'll show you this one is very small. Sorry. Or else I will give official website link here. W start dot you see where it will be displayed or not. You see. You have to do the exact thing here. Shiva, we are in YouTube live Shiva. This Google Meet is not working. You can watch us in YouTube. Yeah. I will give the link here. I save this document. We'll see whether it will be viewed or not. Now it's not displayed. Okay, because the firewalls in the browser is not allowing to display that particular website. Okay, so this is how you can add the things, and then you can view the YouTube links as well. Okay, so you can view the YouTube links as well. Yep. Um, Guys, I'm very sorry for the thing that my PC is very slow and I am unable to take the class now. Please try to understand. We'll take the session tomorrow. I'll try to start your class by 5 p.m. So because we have 3 days of delay, definitely I'm going to take the class by 5 p.m. and we'll discuss up to 8. Okay. So please try to understand, guys. I want your confirmation in the comment section. Okay, then I'm closing the session. Tomorrow we'll meet, guys. Sorry for waiting.